Hello everybody! I hope you're doing good because today I'm gonna show you this bag. Oh my god, I am so excited to show you this bag because look at how unique she looks. Okay, there's a whole story behind her. Alright, so I started crocheting as a hobby a few weeks back, and I decided that why not make a bag, because on this channel we love bags, don't we? And I love bags so much, so I was attempting to make a bag, and I wanted something that would look a little like designy, so I decided to get something inspirational like the Bottega Veneta bag, the one called Jodie or something, I believe, the very popular one with the knot here. So I found like a design that's similar. So this was my first attempt to make a similar bag like that, and look at how she came out. Wow, she is looking so good. So yeah, it's my first attempt, so I know that there's flaws everywhere, but just try to ignore them. In the end, I think it turned out pretty good. So I also, to make it even more unique, on this channel we love putting charms on our bags. So I put on like one charm, and I was like, I want more charms. I started putting this with little hearts from Shein, and then I decided that this is another pink sparkly thing that matching, matching pink colors. And I was like, more, let's get more into this bag. And then I just went crazy. I just like, okay, let's put this on. Why not a pom-pom? And why not a chain? Let's just put a lot of things, but not too much, because we don't want to go too crazy. This is still a lot on the bag already. I maxed her out. But my favorite charm is this little chandelier. Have you ever seen a charm hanging on this part of the bag or any bag? I've never seen that. So I thought I saw this little charm that I had, and I was like, why not just put it boop? I don't know what came through my mind, but she fits there so beautifully. And it's not like the most practical. You have to like hold your fingers between like this when you hold her, but the aesthetic is there. Oh, so beautiful. So all these charms, I keep telling you in every video, they're from Shein, Temu, or Aliexpress. You can get these charms anywhere. Yeah, so I've been really handy lately. I've been doing little bracelets for myself. These I made. This one, no, this is like Jesus on them. It's bought. So, but this is it. Alright, so let me show her off. First off, it's a mini bag. It's very, very small. I haven't measured, but I believe... Oh, my dog is falling asleep in the background if you hear some noises. Like I said, I haven't measured her, but this looks more like a kind of 20 centimeter one, something around that size. Basically a mini size. And yes, this is the front. Oh, she's a whole party. Yes. And the side. And then the back. This is, as you can see, the original shape of it. Oh my god, this aesthetic is so cute. I love it so much. Wow, so much fun. Let's just get into this what's in my bag. So I don't have a lock or any zip or anything here, because it's so small. I didn't think that it was necessary. So it's an open bag for now. Alright, let's just get into it. The first thing I have, this is a you hear that? What is this called? It's a cat toy. It has a catnip inside, and I bought it because it's a banana. It's kind of fun, and it has like this satisfying noise. It's like do that when you're stressed or something, or just wanna like fiddle with something. Yeah, so that's the only reason he's following in my bags. It's a new purchase. I really like this one. I smell the peppermint already. Alright, and the next I have this little piggy silicone pouch. When I saw this piggy out, I had to grab it, and it was an immediate purchase. In here I have little little knickknacks and stuff. I have this perfume, tiny perfume. This is the Victoria's Secret tease. Yeah, it's really small. Next, full unopened gum. Yeah, just gum, newly purchased. And then I have lip balm. This is from Sweden. I don't know if it's a Swedish brand. I think it's original US, but it says made in Italy. I don't know, but I love this. It's very moisturizing, and I love that it's pink. I bought it in Sweden when I was there for a visit. And then I have these little candies. Yeah, my partner took it from the restaurant, you know. Sometimes the Asian restaurants, they have these little candies by the cashier, and he just grabbed them. So I have a few of those. But the last thing in that pouch is this. This is a Unalome symbol in Buddhism. It's like the symbol for reaching nirvana, you know, reaching enlightenment. You're starting from here and you go upwards, something like that. I've always been into this symbol for many years, so I like the meaning of it. So I'm just gonna put those back. All right. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. All right, next one, I have this freckle paint from Lime Crme. As you can see, yeah, it's just a freckle paint like this. It's so good. I really like how the freckles come out. Let me show you real quick. Oops. Yeah. So depending on how you press it, it will come out differently. So there's that. All right, and next I have, let's take this, just a hand cream, just from the drugstore. For my European viewers, this is from DM, and flavor, or I mean scent, is raspberry. Oh, so nice. All right, and next, oh, this one big. Ooh, hold on. Next, my phone, iPhone 13. So that will definitely fit in this bag. Oh, I got a notification. All right, so I love this case so much. It's from Shein, I believe. I think also Temu has the same phone case. They have this in various colors, like purple. I would love to have purple, light pink, maybe even a yellow, just to be extra fun. But I'm not shopping from these stores that much anymore. I'm kind of trying to calm down with the shopping stuff. So I don't know when I'll be getting those cases. Maybe never. I don't know. Next, I have Essence Extreme Shine. It's just a pink lip gloss, and it's one of the best lip glosses I've ever tried or have, specifically from Essence. This is the volume gloss one, so I highly recommend this if you're interested in a good lip gloss, and also cheap from drugstore, you know. Alright, next one. Yeah, this is my wallet, or card holder more specifically, and I have my doggy here. I don't know exactly what breed she is, but she's a mix from the shelter. I can see some golden retriever and border collie in her. She's definitely has the brain of a border collie. She's really smart. She's always lying with her belly up like this. Yeah, she's a stupid dog. No, she's not. She's a silly dog. Alright, so just a glittery card holder. I think this is from, I don't know, Temu, Shein, yeah, any of those Chinese stores. Really nice. And then I have a pink pen. Yeah, everything pink, I love it. I like this because it smells like the fruits. Oh, very fruity ink. Yeah, and it writes in blue, so it's really good. Always good to have a pen around, you know, whenever you want to write some notes on something. I only have one item left, and you can hear what it is. Some gum. Yeah, this is just some bubble gum. Bubble Fresh is the flavor. Yeah. And that is all that I could fit in this bag. She is looking small, but she can hold so much because she is wide, as you can see. Very, very wide. She can expand like this. She can close up. She can go flat as well. Oh, my ring is getting stuck. Oh no, I broke a little bit of threading. Okay, whatever. So yeah, you can flatten her up, and she will look totally different. Also, when it comes to like practicality, you can put the whole arm through her. So I'm really proud of myself. Like, wow, I really did a good job on this one. And all these charms, oh my god, it makes the bag so much better. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna remove this one because it's gonna rip up more threads from that bag. Let me grab all the stuff, and we're gonna pack her up again. So let's start with the hand cream. These big things, maybe. It's pink. And then this one, I'm gonna try put my phone in there. And everything goes in really smoothly. I'm so surprised. Pen, I kind of want to like put it down a little further down because, you know, it can maybe fall out, you know, accidentally, something like that. So far, this is my favorite bag on the channel. Yes, well, obviously because I made it myself as well, but it's so pretty, it's so aesthetic. Wow, I love it. All right, anyway, enough talking. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. I hope you're gonna have a good day, evening, or whatever, and stay happy just like this bag. Please comment, like, and subscribe to this video and channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.